In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S23 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. First of all, you need to access settings and tap on connections right away. Then click on this switcher next to Bluetooth feature if it's not already on, and tap on Bluetooth itself. Finally, wait for available devices to show, and when they do, tap on the chosen one, in my case this one. Now, in order to connect, you need to select pair in this pop-up and wait for the other device to do the same. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, choose this gear icon next to the device. Click on Unpair at the bottom right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. In order to connect to the same one, just tap on it and select pair again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!